We are about to step out to get a Thai massage. Then we're going to be heading back to the spot and relax for a little bit before we head to a food tour that starts at 4 p.m. local time, about 4 hours.
Market. So this is the biggest market in Chiang Mai and open every day. We're gonna try the northern Thai sausage, Thai milk tea, some like sticky rice cooked in the bamboo with the coconut milk. And then we're gonna take the song tail to northern Thai restaurant. So 3 or 4 more dishes we're gonna try at northern Thai restaurant. And after that, we're gonna go back to the old city, learn about the history of Chiang Mai a little bit, and I will give you a little bit digestion because we're gonna have a lot of food today, and end our tour at the night market.
How is it?
So good.
So refreshing.
Like Chiang Mai, in the past we call Lana Kingdom. Lan is mean million, Na is mean like million of rice field. Like the king who built Chiang Mai city is the King Mang Rai. So after this you will see the 3 king monuments. The middle king is the king of Lana Kingdom. Chiang Mai is the last city he built, and after that he passed away. Chiang is mean city, Mai is mean new city. So this is the last city he built. Every city when he built, he will put name Chiang. If you have the province named Chiang in northern part of Thailand, it's been part of Lana Kingdom. Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, Chiang Tung, Chiang Khong, Chiang Rung, Chiang Dao. So inside they have lemongrass, purple lime, chili.
How is it?
Good. Tastes good.
Yeah. She's made it before.
They're the same as me.
Spicy?
Oh yeah, the spicy.
Just the right amount of spice. I'm not crying. It's pretty good. But my nose is cleared up. By the way, 113 years.
Oh, thank you very much.
This market is 113 years. How is it?
So good. I could eat a lot of that.
This is pickled pork, sticky rice.
How's it? Is it different?
It's so good.
Really?
Yeah,
You like it?
I love it.
Oh my gosh.
Sticky rice, coconut milk.
Ooh.
What is that? It's quite similar to sesame seed.
Good.
It's what we call nakimo.
It's kind of like dessert almost.
Like carry all day if you're hungry. Easy to carry. So good.
Mild. Very good.
It's like dessert, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like coconut mochi. That's so good. It's like coconut mochi with like the rice grain.
The consistency.
Yeah.
So this one we call Puak. It's grown in Chiang Rai. So this one is only grown in Chiang Rai. The big one is from a little bit south of Thailand.
It's so cute.
I need a photo of this.
Thank you. Would you like me?
Good catch. Oh my god. This is so good. It's so sweet.
So it's sweeter than the regular pineapple. So what we got here is miniature pineapple. Tiny pineapple.
Wow.
Good.
It's like a sugar popsicle.
What is this?
Longan.
It's dried longan. It doesn't taste the same as like the fresh fruit.
I want to try this first.
It's not as sweet as the fresh fruit.
This is like without like sugar.
It's like actually savory.
What is it?
Yeah, right?
It's dried longan, which is like a tropical fruit. It's like, it looks like a brown ball, and then you peel out the skin, and then you just eat the inner flesh.
So it's more savory as a dried
The
fruit?
dried ones taste really savory, and the regular fruit.
Is this mango?
A mango.
Oh, dried mango. What is this?
ข้าวแตน rice cracker
Sticky rice.
พี่มาทอน350
Try it.
Rice cake and rice cake.
Oh, nothing. I was just going to change it.
That's good.
I just wanted to count.
This first wave of flavors capture the perfect balance of savory and sweet that defines northern Thai cuisine. It's a good thing this is a walking food tour. There's still so much to taste and walk off.
So this is dough and coconut?
cow
Oh,
It's a
rice.
sticky rice.
Sticky rice and
powder.
coconut. Oh.
And with the coconut and coconut meat and sugar.
Gotcha. Coconut and coconut and sugar.
So more like this one or sticky rice and bamboo out of like local.
That's really good.
Yeah? Oh, it's like dense.
Yeah, so
Maybe shall we
Pancake,
over
huh?
there? You can wait.
it's like a sticky rice pancake.
Heaven.
pancake ค่ะ
This is what heaven tastes like.
It's good to hear that. Like, you like it?
Yeah. He loves sticky rice, and then you add like sweet.
Coconut?
Yeah.
This is made from like egg yolk, white egg, and coconut. Like sweet, very sweet. A bit like salty.
Okay, we'll share. The three of us.
We'll share. We'll share.
We'll share.
White egg, sesame, and egg yolk. This is what we call ขนมเบื้อง
Oh yeah, that sesame on the back end really does it.
I have nothing on my lips.
Yeah, you do have a lot on your lip.
So good.
Like it?
This is the this is the
So good.
The king from Bangkok is also help Lana Kingdom free from Myanmar. So this kingdom under Myanmar almost like 216 years. And after we free from Myanmar, the king daughter of Lana Kingdom married with the king from Bangkok. And we become one country, and after that we changed the name to Thai. So Thai is means free. So free land. Like in the Southeast Asia, I think like two countries never colonized by other countries, Thailand and Nepal. So that's why they call themselves I'm free, so I'm Thai.
At this point, we have been well fed and our brain is slowly catching up with our stomach. I also love the amount of coconut they use in their sweet and savory dishes, but that's just my personal preference.
So I got a cow soy kit
Yeah.
that you can make. So what comes with it is like the spice packet plus, what is this, coconut powder? Okay, coconut powder. So this serves about 3 people, so I'm really excited about it.
All right.
So cute. What do you know?
We were already full by the time we arrived at this restaurant, but we couldn't resist, so it was full steam ahead for us.
The sauce with the egg, and this is the Hunglay curry. It's a first stew from northern Thai, and this is the white turmeric salad. Okay.
Can I throw rice in there? Yeah?
Absolutely for rice.
Which one's your favorite?
This green vegetable, like this green veggie, like they just have it here in this region. Never had it in America, obviously. It's very simple.
Wow.
Yep. Good flavor.
Oh yeah, we got the lights on.
So the center of the old city is this temple, and this temple is over 600 years, especially the white Buddha image.
Wow.
Our final stop of the day brings us to one of Chiang Mai's lively night food markets, where the famous Cowgirl vendor operates. Recognized for her unique outfit, she rose to international fame after being featured in an episode of Anthony Bourdain's Parts Unknown. Her stall is a magnet for both locals and tourists, drawn by her authentic Thai street food and the legacy tied to Anthony Bourdain's visit. Her signature dish, tender, slow-cooked pork leg served with rice and hard-boiled egg, was praised by Bourdain for its simplicity and incredible flavor, calling attention to how it represents the essence of street food culture in Thailand. With long lines forming regularly, this spot is a true highlight for food enthusiasts exploring Chiang Mai. Despite how full we were, we thoroughly enjoyed this dish. On this food tour, we met an incredible Brazilian couple who were traveling full-time and had the courage to try this durian with sticky rice.
It's okay.
It's better than I thought.
Oh, really?
You should try it.
I can smell it more now.
It's a hot.
It's really hot.
Which one did you get? The edible? Banana, apple, cinnamon?
Yeah. Wow. Banana, apple, cinnamon, and honey.
And that concludes our walking food tour here in Chiang Mai. You can find a link to the food tour company we use in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and don't miss the next episode where we'll visit the stunning Doi Su Tape Temple and spend time at an incredible elephant sanctuary. See you then.